Hello students, in the previous lecture we have studied the definition of the connectives conjunction and disjunction. Here we will study the remaining connectives starting with conditional statement. This is one of the important connectives used in the proposition logic. If two proposition P and Q are attached with the connective this one, then we will say that P and Q are the conditional statement and the compound value of this statement is represented by this table. This type of representation is called the representation by the truth table. The definition of conditional compound statement is that if this conditional statement will be false if P is true and Q is false. Now there is one thing to be remember. If P conditional Q is given value F, this means the truth value of P is true and the value of Q is F. In one case it will be false and all the remaining case it will be true. Okay, if P is true and Q is false, then P conditional Q will be false and will be true in all other cases. Now next connective is biconditional. This is representation by reversible arrow as shown in the notes. Now the value of compound statement P biconditional Q will be true if P and Q both have the same truth value. Means if P and Q both are T, then this will be T, and if P and Q both are F, then it will be true, and the remaining two cases it will be F. Here in layman concept we can remember it as if P and Q have the same truth value, then the value of P biconditional Q will be true, otherwise it will be false. Now we will use these definition in the form of an example given here. Here we are given three propositions PQR, which are explained as P, Ram goes out for a walk, the moon is out, this is proposition Q, and R, it is snowing. Now on the basis of these proposition we have given some problems. Now we have to convert these problems into symbolic form by use of these proposition. Here we will study how we can symbolize the given theoretical problems into the numerical one. In the first problem it is given if the moon is out and it is not snowing, then Ram goes out for a walk. Here all the three propositions are used and we have to diagnose which statement is connects to other statement by which connectives. And the first we are seeing if the moon is out, and then if the moon is out is attached with connective and with the proposition third in its negation form. Proposition third is it is snowing, but here it is given it is not snowing. Then Ram goes out for a walk. Now this is proposition P, and this last statement is attached with the remaining statement with the connective then, and in the starting of the question we have used if, and if and then are the symbol of the conditional statements. So we will add first two statements with connective and these two compound statement will be attached to the third one. As here we have written the statement as mentioned in the question. So if the moon is out, this is the statement is Q. We have written here Q, and we have put the connective and. It is not snowing. This was it is snowing. We have written in the negation form, or we have covered with a bracket and use conditional arrow with the statement given is P. Similarly, you are instructed to solve second and third. Here we have written the value of second. Now you are requested to solve third and write it in symbolic form. Now next article is to understand the truth table. Truth table is the table which contains all the possible values of compound statements P and Q which are connected with any connectives. Here some compound statements are given and the question is given, construct the truth table of the following. Here one thing is to be remembered, before starting truth table we will start to make truth table by selecting the proposition P and Q as shown in the table below. If we have to construct the truth table for P conjunction negation of Q, then we have to first construct the column P, then column Q, then column negation of Q, then we have to attach first column with the third column by the connective AND. It is mentioned in the given table. Here I have constructed table. Since we have used only two propositions, so number of possible cases will be 4. We have make values for P, then Q, then negation of Q, and then we have combined P and negation of Q with the connectives AND. As we know that the composite value of P conjunction negation of Q will be true if both P and negation of Q will be true. Now we observe it from the table. Value of P is equal to T. Here it is F. Here it is T. Second value is T. Now for this case, the composite value of P conjunction negation of Q will be T, and we will not find another pair TT from column first and column third. So only second value will be true and all other value will be F. By this way we can construct all other problems for its truth table. Thank you. Next lecture we will study the rules of inference and solve one or two problems related to rules of inference. Thank you.